Delectables wet cat food pouch packing machine is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Packaging Machinery Company. This pet food packaging machine features a double sealing mechanism for the horizontal sealing section. The first seal is designed to press and expel any granules from the sealing area, preventing material entrapment. The second seal is applied at the same position to ensure a strong, reliable seal. Additionally, the machine is equipped with an anti-drip and anti-stringing check valve at the filling nozzle to prevent sticky liquid leakage during the filling process. This pet food packaging machine is engineered for long-term stability and consistent performance. The entire structure is built with high-grade 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to wear even under continuous operation.